right, so here we have another tip and trick for cutting recesses into newels. Recently, design trends have definitely gone toward modern design elements. So here's a simple jig one of the guys came up with to cut a smooth, clean recess in a newel. So he first made a table that he just screws down onto our lift top workbenches. You can see the stop here at the end. That thing you can adjust depending on what elevation on the newel post you want your slot to be, your recess. Clamp that the post blank in there. Have a router bit in there, whatever size slot you want cut. And you just simply slide the newel post through there. So now you just keep flipping that newel post until you have all four sides complete. And you'll notice he makes a couple passes. That is just to make sure you don't have a slight seam where the router bit passes the previous pass. So just keep everything nice and smooth in that recess. And here again, you can see where he does that second pass just to make sure those sides come out very nice and even. And these components here that we use to make this jig, I believe they come from McMaster-Carr. You're probably all familiar with them. The rails and also the receivers, the piece that slides on the rails. Those all come from McMaster-Carr, very, very readily available. And here he just completed his last pass. He has all four sides completed. Turn off the router, and here you have a newel with a nice even recess around a plain square newel blank. All sides are nice and flush. So here's a view of the underside. The bottom part of the jig, the pieces that slide along the rails. Keep these things as far apart as you possibly can. It just stabilizes the whole jig and makes your recesses on all four sides a little more smooth. You're not as likely to get a little seam between the sides. Hopefully you can get a few nuggets from this, and thanks for watching.